All right, so some of the words that can imply math operations. You have a chart like this, like your clue words. So let's look at some of these. When you see for addition, added to, plus, sum of, more than, increased by, total of, and. Be careful with and because you want to, sometimes we use and to talk about two numbers. So for example, where it says the product of 30 and 9, 30 and 9 does not mean to add because it's telling you the product. So look at your vocabulary first. Unless I said, what is 30 and 9, then you know it's 30 plus 9. I would not use anything like that to trick you. So just so you know, look for the vocabulary first. Okay, subtraction, less than, remember more than, less than, fewer than. So than and from, that's when you're going to flip, like subtracted from. Multiplied by, times, product of, twice or triple, divided by, and quotient of. So you have your clue words. Make sure you review those over the weekend. You have your graphic organizer with all the vocabulary words, and you have your study guide. So your study guide is going to be probably the most thing that you want to look at. But looking at these words to understand what they're asking you for. So we're going to watch a short video and to review what we've learned.
Part A. 8 fewer than 21. The key words in this phrase are fewer than. The phrase fewer than means subtraction. You have 8 fewer than 21. So the expression is 21 minus 8. Part B. The product of 30 and 9. The key words in this phrase are product of. The phrase product of means multiplication. So an expression that represents this phrase is 30 times 9. Remember, there are different representations for multiplication, so you can use the multiplication symbol or the multiplication dot.
All right, this is directly from Big Ideas. So you're going to see, you can go on 5.2 writing expressions or 5.1 and you can watch these videos. There's some try it, so you can look at these and try some examples yourself with different problems. And then when you put the answer in, you can also check whether your answer is correct or not. We have here some more videos, writing algebraic expressions. So let's watch one more.
Write each phrase as an expression. Part A. 14 more than a number x. The key words in this phrase are more than. The phrase more than means addition. You have 14 more than a number x. So an expression that represents this phrase is x plus 14. Part B. A number y minus 75. The key word in this phrase is minus. The word minus means subtraction. So an expression that represents a number y minus 75 is y minus 75. Part C. The quotient of 3 and a number z. The key words in this phrase are quotient of. The phrase quotient of means division. So an expression that represents the quotient of 3 and a number z is 3 divided by z. Remember, you can use the division symbol or the fraction bar to represent division. When writing expressions involving subtraction or division, order is important. For example, the quotient of a number x and 2 means x divided by 2, not 2 divided by x.
All right, so that was a really good video just to remind you as far as subtracting and division. We've talked about this, that if you flipped in adding and multiplying, the property states that we can do that. We can flip them, but with dividing and subtracting, be extra cautious and extra careful. Use your study guide, use your graphic organizer, use the clue word.